Welcome to the Maha Luxury Collection Desert Resort and Spa. Maha is an all-inclusive luxury resort located in the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve, approximately 45 minutes outside of the city of Dubai. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of our Bedouin suite and the resort grounds, as well as go through the various activities and foods available during our stay. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you're interested in seeing more hotel and room tour videos like this one. After a short drive from the gate to the resort, we entered the main lobby where we were greeted with a mint mango welcome drink on our arrival. We next made our way to our room, a king bed Bedouin suite.
This is a quick tour of room 34 at the Maha Luxury Collection Hotel. So upon entering the room, on the right side you have the coffee maker with the coffee and tea and some bottles of water. On the left side, they gave you some sherry wine, which they said they will refill that one more time when you finish it. Some red wine, some more water, a kettle, some snacks, and a fridge with a bunch of drinks. And there's milk on the bottom. There's a little sitting area, mirror and desk, with a chair, and this is the hair dryer. Let's check out the king bedroom. There's the king bed. Some luggage racks on the left side. Here's the first storage closet with a safe in it and some bug spray. There's a lot of bugs here in the desert. The middle cabinet has the TV. And more storage on the last cabinet. Some hangers. They give you this bag that you can take with you. And this other bag you can take that with you also. It looks like it might be for dirty laundry, but you can take that. And some slippers. So let's take a look at the sitting area. There's two sofas where you can just lie down on them and look on the outside, look at the desert. So we got room service for lunch. They gave us some bread, tuna carpaccio, and I ordered prawns, but I guess it's prawns that are molded into those fried balls. And they provided some dates, some nuts, and it looks like some desserts over there. Some fruits also. And here's the king bed again. It's a very big bed. And look at the designs here. It's actually really nice. There's another table here with two chairs. And there's a Bluetooth speaker. The phone if you need to call them for anything. No drones, no flying of drones here. And there's a plug over there. Temperature controls, light controls. Let's check out the bathroom. There's a door to the outside if you want to go out there from the restroom. Here's a big bathtub. Standing rainfall shower. Dual sinks with this huge mirror. There's the toilet and the bidet. And they do provide you with amenities, so there's toothbrush there, toothpaste, comb, stuff for shaving, and they leave you some waters on each side of the sink. There's the little tissue dispenser, and there's some matches here. I don't know if they provide candles later on or incense to light it up. And this door just leads back to the main door if you want to go out. So let's go this way, go around again. Let's check out the outside of the property or outside of our room. Each room has a private plunge pool, temperature controlled. You can ask the resort to adjust it accordingly. So if you want it warmer or colder, they'll do that for you. On the left side, there's a little dining area. You can order room service and they'll serve your food out here. There's a view of the desert. And there's a view of Beverly with 2 lounge chairs. You just want to relax outside and see the gazelle. There were a couple of them here earlier. I don't know where they went. There's all these animals and birds here making noises. This leads to the inside bathroom again, so. Yep, and that is the quick tour of room 34 here at the Maha. We hope you enjoyed this little tour.
There are various wildlife that roam around the property, particularly the gazelles, who aren't shy in the slightest, making their way up to the suites.
Hey, buddy.
More gazelle as we make our way to the spa. The Timeless Spa is a full-fledged spa with various different therapies to avail from. We scheduled ourselves a deep tissue massage for later in the day in these relaxing massage rooms. There's an indoor hot tub with outdoor views. As well as a steam room. And dry sauna. The fitness center is nearby and adjacent to the spa. Behind the spa is also the large communal pool where guests can gather when not enjoying their own private plunge pools. Our first morning, we got to enjoy a beautiful sunrise right outside our suite overlooking our pool. They have falconry demonstrations every morning as one of the included activities in our stay.
I'll say. So he does use everything for cover.
Another morning activity are the guided nature walks, where our guide walks us around the reserve learning about plants and animals of the area.
It's the fire bush. Now it's like a wild broccoli, this one. And this tree acts like a desert hotel for your small animals. You can see here. The gazelle, for instance, has like a triangle shape.
Yeah.
This is usually for your fast animals, so your high-speed runners.
An optional morning activity is the 4x4 Desert Dune Drive. It can get pretty intense, so try not to eat a full breakfast prior to the drive.
Nice picture. Yeah. This one is pregnant. It's pregnant. Can give birth anytime.
For those seeking something less intense, they also have evening wildlife drives.
Something can't really grow in if it's not a solid structure to grow for them. So this is why you won't see any trees up here, just this grass.
Our favorite activity was the camel rides at sunset. The most difficult part of the ride was definitely when the camel goes up and down. But the rest of the ride is pretty smooth sailing. At the end of the ride is a sunset drink on top of a dune. If you're not interested in riding a camel to get to the sunset site, the Sundowner activity gets you to the same place but in one of the resort's 4x4 vehicles. Meals are served at the Diwaan restaurant during set times for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast has a buffet spread as well as items that can be ordered from the menu. Ryan likes sticking with the petite filet mignon, while I really enjoyed the seafood omelette. And the Gazelle aren't shy to make appearances at breakfast either. For lunch, we opted to have room service poolside, but the birds are pretty fast and we couldn't eat with our trays open. For lunch, we had the arancini and carpaccio appetizers, with both of us getting prawns for our entree and a cheese plate for dessert. For next day's lunch, we stuck with arancini and carpaccio appetizers, with both of us getting steak for our entrees instead. We would have dinner at the Diwaan restaurant, where the dress code is smart casual. We would start with more seafood carpaccio, a sashimi appetizer, or the lobster raviolo. Sorbet on ice is served before the main courses, where we had the grilled beef fillet, and the lobster biryani. The next evening, we had the Bedouin platter, which was actually my favorite dish for dinner. Ryan particularly liked the tiramisu dessert, while I had the banana caramel tart. And we got a special anniversary cake to celebrate our first wedding anniversary. That concludes our tour of the Maha Luxury Collection Desert Resort and Spa. We hope you enjoyed our video. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section below, and like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. We'll see you next time!